Enter the Sandman. Mr. Sandman, bring me. Holy damn. That's a lot of people right there. I can't even tell where. It literally looks like an ocean of people. Jeez, that's a lot of people. God, that's a lot. My gosh, jeez, I gotta go back a little bit here. Look at, where is it? Look at the amount of people that are here. I watched Queen Live Aid, right? And that was a lot of people. But this here, it looks like there's like 10 times more people, or maybe, like, I can't even, they don't even, they look like a bunch of sardines. That is crazy. I got some intel here from one of my subscribers saying that this live happened right after the fall of the Soviet Union, which explains why helicopters are flying around, KGB and Soviet troops beating up concert goers. I'm not sure how true that is, but I did see some people in military and a helicopter flying. I thought it was a prop at first, but according to this comment, it's a real helicopter. There goes that pause. Okay, I gotta give some commentary here. My goodness, I can't get over how many people are freaking there. Actually, you know what? I could find that out right now. Holy moly! 1.6 million people attended that. Holy crap! No wonder why they needed military people and helicopters there. You got 1.6 million people. I can't imagine. If you were there, let me know in the comment section down below, because this just looks like absolute pandemonium, and the way that they're rocking is crazy. I'll tuck you in at night, keep you free from sin until the Sandman comes, sleep with one eye open, gripping your... This sounds like a nightmare, people. Maybe he's keeping you asleep in your nightmares, so... gotta watch out for that Sandman guy, you know what I mean? Dreams of war, dreams of liars, dreams of dragon's fire, and things that will bite. Yeah, this is definitely some kid going through some traumatic dreams. And another thing I heard again, it's called, I think it's a time signature, as you guys have been telling me, that pause within their songs that they do. It's a time signature, it's the amount of beats per second or something like that. I never knew what that was before until a bunch of people commented it, and I went and looked it up, and I was like, oh, well, you learn something new every day, and that's what it's called, people. If you didn't know, now you know, you know? I gotta play that back. I'm sorry. I gotta do it, people. I'm sorry. I can't help it. Did you not hear that beautiful soul? Come on, people. If you blame me for playing this back, then you gotta leave. Get out. That guitar looks so cool. Let's go. My God, people, come on, people. Oh, exit light, enter night, grain of sand, exit light, people. Grain of sand from the Sandman, keeping you asleep. That prayer that he said, my little brother used to say that every night growing up. I remember that. Hush, little baby, don't say a word, and never mind that noise you heard. It's just the beast under your bed, in your closet, in your head. Oh my God! Why are you scaring this young lad so much, huh? Oh, you imagine as a kid? Yeah, don't worry about that noise you heard. Just a beast under your bed, maybe in your closet or your head. Who knows? You know, just go to sleep, wake up, or don't, or do. Talk about, hey, this is 1.6 million people. I can't imagine being around all of. Let's finish this song. Let's finish the song, people. Back. Hey, everybody. What? So that's what he was talking about. Oh, wow, that's a lot of people. Oh, my holy moly. Who knew a nightmare could be so beautiful? Okay, people. When I say craziness, okay, talk about the amount of people that were actually in that crowd. 1.6 million people watching and singing along and just raving, okay? That's freaking insane. One of my subscribers, one of you guys, tell a story about how you went to a metal concert and you were whipping your hair back and forth and everyone else was, but you came home with a bunch of bruises on your face because everyone's hair was whipping your face too. And that was just a funny thing. I can only imagine how many whips these people had going back home, how many injuries and just sheer pandemonium. And I don't know how much drug uses were happening there, but I'm sure there was a lot of it. But anyway, beyond all of that, this was just like an insane freaking environment. Like 1.6 million people physically showed up to watch you and sing along to your song. Not counting the people that were probably watching this live. I'm not sure how many that was, but the amount of people that were there in itself is, I'm sure, historic. I don't know what the biggest amount of people that gathered before was, but I'm sure this is one of them. This, like, I've never seen something this crazy. You got helicopters, people in military uniform controlling the crowd, because who else are you going to have there? And apparently, if this is right after the Soviet Union, stuff like that happened, I want you guys to let me know, because I like to, get in a little bit about the history of the event to make, because I'm coming from a perspective of not knowing anything about it at all to learning about it from you guys in the comment section down below. So I don't really have a bias here leaning to one side or whatever, or, because it's completely fresh to me. And the knowledge that you guys have given me in the comment section down below so far has helped me understand a lot of the bands that I've listened to, like Queen. I did not understand their significance until you guys told me. And you guys have been helping me a lot with Metallica so far. Even though I've only listened to one song, the amount of information that you've given me, it's just freaking amazing. And it's clear to see that Metallica has some pretty good fans, because there was no rude comments or anyone being a little douchey, but it's just an amazing thing that you guys have been helping me out. Anyway, this whole thing here, Enter the Sandman, it's a song about nightmares from what I could tell. Kid is being basically tortured mentally in his sleep. He's having a rough time. He can't sleep. He's tugging his pillow with one eye open. The Sandman is here to take you to Neverland, and he's not here to save you. The Sandman is in your closet, in your head. Well, the monster is not the Sandman. I got the lyrics right here on the side. I have to have the lyrics, just to read them. I think at this point, it's fair to say that I am a fan of Metallica, and I am going to do a deep dive on this band listening to all of the songs from the different eras. You know, I know a lot of you guys have been telling me because I didn't live through the 80s or 70s or 90s. There's a lot of drug usage, a lot of references that I may miss, and I may internalize it a bit different. But thanks to you guys, I know I'm in a safe place, and I will learn. Okay, so if this is what you guys have me listening to, then best believe I'm gonna be pushing these buttons down so you guys can let me know some more because I need this in my life. This amount of energy, 1.6 million people. I just wish I could be there. But, you know, hey, I was just born in a different time. But hey, going back, never hurt nobody. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. And if you were there, let me know. And if you were alive at that time and you understand more context behind the significance of this concert and why so many people were there in a different country. I see an American flags and a bunch of other flags. So why? I want to know why this took place like this to get a better understanding of how significant this is in I guess maybe music history or somewhat world history. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm signing out.